This is a nice and simple video to let you decide what's best for you in regards to Google Ads or Google Ads Express. Hi, I'm Sam Fields from Matter Solutions, the resident Google Ads expert. Google Ads Express is a little bit like the My First Kitchen of the Google Ads system. You get the tools, but they're very basic and you're unlikely to cook a succulent meal. In this case, the succulent meal is a good ROI. If you've been watching my videos, firstly, thank you very much, really do appreciate it. And secondly, you'll know that I'm not a big fan of handing over the reins to Google's automation, especially in the first stages of a campaign. In saying that, Google promotes the Google Ads Express account as being the easy solution for businesses and that Google will do the hard work. As we know, nothing good comes easy. Express campaigns are now labelled as smart campaigns by Google, and that's just a way to pretty much obfuscate reality. The reality is that the early stages of a campaign are when you are gathering data, and with Google Ads, it is the foundation of an overall digital marketing strategy. Your Google Ads Express account will provide you with some detail, but very little control. Google Ads Express uses broad match keywords, automated bidding, and usually lumps them all under the one ad group in order to have one ad for several keywords, which, as we know, will reduce your click-through rate because it's not always going to be 100% relevant. Some of the features of the Google Ads Express account, according to the website, is spend what's right for you, find people local to your area, and let us manage the campaign. If you'd like to know just how little effort goes in to the Google Ads Express accounts, then just go to the website promoting it because it hasn't been updated in years. The Google Ads full suite allows you to fully control every aspect of your campaigns. We're currently smack bang in the middle of a Google Ads series where I'll take you through analysing data, interpreting that data and what it means in relation to your business, and finally implementing strategies off that data that will help you maximise your ROI. So rather than try and fit all that complex information into a couple of minutes at the end of this video, check out our Google Ads series, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Data that will help you maximise your ROI.